Hello everybody. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to give this presentation about easy file sharing between doctors and R2GATE Center. My name is Kristjan Lank and I am the head CAD/CAM engineer of Dentalab Dental Lab in Estonia. We have been R2GATE Center since 2017 and have planned well over 1,000 implants. We are connected with clients across Europe and have established successful partnership with talented doctors from different countries. To get more information about us, please visit our website www.dentalab.ee. The cooperation between doctors and R2GATE Center can be very stressful due to difficult file sharing regarding different platforms. So I will guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to establish an easy yet trustworthy connection. We will start off by creating a Microsoft OneDrive account. Please go to OneDrive.com and start setting up your account by clicking on Sign Up Free icon. Insert your business email address. This is the one we will use in future cooperation. Make sure you confirm your email address. Next step is setting up the account. After verifying your email, OneDrive will guide you through the setup process. Make sure if OneDrive app is installed on your computer. Otherwise, you can find the download button on the bottom left corner of the page. It is really simple. Just click download and follow the setup wizard. Next, we will sign in and establish our OneDrive connection. Look to the upper right corner of the page for the sign in button. After signing in, click Setup Now to establish the connection between OneDrive and your computer. Now you can find the OneDrive folder in Windows File Explorer on the left side panel. To start our cooperation, provide your OneDrive email to coding address Kristjan@dentalab.ee. We will create the sharing folder for you and send the invitation to complete the connection. Sometimes you have to refresh the File Explorer to display newly added files and folders. As you can see, there are two subfolders to separate your provided patient files from our analyzed and processed data. This means you will share patient's X-ray and STL files in Shared Patient Files folder. We will pick up the files from there and create patient-specific implant planning project folders to R2 data. To see the implant planning projects in your R2GATE software, connection to OneDrive folder is required. In order to do so, please log in to your R2GATE services. Select Configuration on the upper right corner of the user interface and click Add to Work folder. Select the R2 data folder that we provided through OneDrive and click OK. If you have successfully followed all the steps, we have now established our connection and are ready to begin with our cooperation. All the implant planning projects will appear automatically in your R2GATE software after we have created them. Should you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you for your attention.